kasama ko be the player of the game mula sa Barangay Ginebra, the Teniente L.A. Tenorio with 22 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals. Overall, very good performance para sa iyo at sa inyong mga kakampi. Gaano kahirap talunin ang Meralco Bolts?
Una-una, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord. Binigyan niya kami ng strength to win this game. Kasi, yun nga, Meralco is a really tough team, especially with their big import and yung mga local sila. Yung mga guards din nila, they can match up with us. So, sobrang aggressive sila at saka they're doing the little things talaga. That's why they're on top of the standing also. So, they're tough defensive team also. I know Coach Norman as a coach, talagang defensive coach din siya, just like Coach Tim. Kaya talagang chess match talaga pag naglalaro kami. So, good thing yung huli, although muntik pa, pero good thing we came up with a big stop.
Meron pa kayong larong natitira. We're hoping for the best kasi nga syempre may mga kakampi ka ring injured.
Yeah. Oo nga hopefully itong week na to makarecover na yung mga injured na players and mga hindi 100%, especially si Joe. And yung mga ibang players din. Mark, sana okay si Mark. Walang serious naman na nangyari kay Mark. So we'll see. We're gonna prepare well for our last game to prepare us for playoffs kasi maganda yung siyempre mananalo ka going to the playoffs.
We have a full house dito sa May Inares. You're wearing the retro jersey of 1991 championship. Talagang very inspired basketball.
Yes, actually parang ayaw naman namin sayangin yung history ng uniform na to. Diba? So malaking pressure sa amin coming to this game wearing this retro jersey kasi ito ang reason kung bakit nandito kami. Itong jersey na to, kung sino mga nagsuot, naging inspirasyon sa amin as a basketball players also. Not only Ginebra players, but bilang isang basketball player. So nagpapasalamat kami sa Ginebra management na binigyan kami ng opportunity to wear this retro jersey. Yes, first of all, gusto namin on behalf of the Ginebra team, management, gusto namin dedicate itong win na to kay Jasper Soriano na namatay. Condolence to the whole family. Pasensya na kayo, hindi kami nakapunta. Si Japet lang at I think si Jammer lang. So sana sa panalon to at saka sa mga darating pang game, sana mapasaya namin kayo. Alam namin mahirap pinagdadaanan nyo pero sana mapasaya namin kayo kahit sa konting panalo na to. So we'll pray for your family and condolence to the whole family. So God bless.
L.A. Tenorio, maraming salamat. Congratulations.